Okay, hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. Thank you very much for opportunity give at the Geotourism International Conference. I'm Latifa from University PGRI Yogyakarta, and I will start presentation with the topic empowering youth through local wisdom based training for cultural heritage preservation. The preservation of local culture is a complex issue amidst global progress and rapid social change. Younger generation is a crucial part of preservation culture. In Indonesia, the contribution of the youth in preservation culture has not been fully supported in a planned and participatory manner. According the Indonesian Youth Statistic 2023 from the Central Bureau of Statistics, progress in the social cultural field for youth still lags behind education and employment. The situation is reinforced by a survey conducted Good News from Indonesia in 2024, which found that although 78% of young respondents consider cultural preservation important, only 32% of them active participant in cultural activity in their community. The research aimed to address this need by investigating how training and mentoring based on the local wisdom can empower you to preserve culture to community organization. The study focused on the Yogyakarta City Cultural Youth Forum, a nonprofit organization involved in the local culture training and advocacy. Through a qualitative study method, this research explored the understanding and experience of 30 active member, alumni, and administrator who participate in the training based on the local values such as empathy, equity, mutual cooperation, and humility. The importance of the research lies in the need to create a cultural training model that not only focuses on the teaching technical skill, but also helps build identity, value, reflection, and long-term commitment to cultural preservation. The research also provide innovation by combination humanistic and conceptual approach in the development of human resources and by emphasizing the role of informing mentoring as an adaptive strategy in community organization. The funding of the study indication that the training conducted by the Yogyakarta City Cultural Forum has a significant impact on improving the technical skill and interpersonal ability of the participant. This increase is not only functional but also bring about profound change as it involves the process of the internalizing local cultural value that influence how people think, interact, and express their self-identity. The various types of training attended by the participant include technical activity such as modeling, fashion show, beauty class, and public speaking, as well as value-focused activity like Javanese ethnic workshop, ethical training, and cultural tour. The technical training such as modeling and fashion show not only to visual presentation technique, but also introduce the symbolic of the region and the traditional clothing as a form of cultural identity representation. Public speaking skills, which are typical associated with the general community ability, are these context direct toward conveying cultural story. Cultural tour and traditional skill session, deep understanding of the local culture, artistic practice, and community, fostering historical awareness and emotional connection to the cultural heritage. One of the key findings of the study is that young people participant in the cultural organization not only enrich their skill but also foster a deep sense of the social identity and belonging to the community. Respondents consistently report feeling more emotional, comfortable, social connection, and responsible for the organization's sustainability after participant in the informal mentoring and cultural activity. The mentoring model still relies on individual initiative and has not been systematic document. The lack of the alumni involving indication to need for mechanism to maintain intergeneration relationship. Organizations are advised to design inclusive and sustainability mentoring system as well as build intergeneration communication platform to maintain the continue of the collective identity. One of most of the important finding of the study is the training grounded in the local wisdom not only serve as a tool for transferring cultural knowledge, but also as a base for the deep reflection and understanding of the value. The respondent revealed that values such as empathy and understanding, cooperation, humility, and respect are not only discussed in the theory but also applied in the daily life. The research brought perspective by demonstrating that community-based training that allow for the value reflection and have a transformative impact on the social and moral mindset of young people. And overall, this funding reinforces the understanding that sustainability cultural preservation effort should include the progress of the interpretation and adaptation of the value by younger generation. Training that provides space for the reflection and dialogue about value, not only about product skill individual, but also individual with a moral and social orientation aligned with the local culture philosophy. In the context of the national cultural development, this approach is crucial for shaping a generation that not only understanding culture but also live it in their daily life. The finding of the study indication that although the local wisdom focuses training program conducted by the Yogyakarta City Cultural Youth Forum yield positive result in improving individual capability, human resources involvement in the organization strategic process was not uniform. On the other hand, new member and alumni feel significant less involved in discussion making and program development. The funding direct answer the question how effective training and empowering youth inclusively. In the context of the community empowerment, equal participant is a key indicator of the training success. The result reinforces the understanding that wisdom-based training needs to be supported by the inclusive and participatory human resources management. Youth empowerment in the cultural preservation will not be effective without a fair distribution of the role and open opportunity for contribution for all community members. One significant finding from the study is that the learning process within the cultural community organization does not occur through a formal curriculum or organized module, but through an informal mentoring system that is relation contextual and value-based. The finding provide a direct answer to the question of how to training based on the local wisdom can empower youth in the preservation culture. Here, empower occur not only through the transformation of knowledge, but also through the process of the making an identity formal that takes place in the intergeneration social interaction. And overall, the design of the value-based community mentoring model reinforces the finding the effective cultural learning does not only and the presence of the formal structure, but rather on the quality of social relationship space for reflection and the ability to adapt to the participant context. The research aimed to explore how to training and guidance based on the local wisdom within the community organization can empower young generation to preserve culture. Through an analysis of the Cultural Youth Forum in Yogyakarta, it was revealed that training incorporation local value not only serve to enhance technical skill and interpersonal ability, but also deeply build social identity, emotional, and reflective capacity among the participants. The main funding of the learning process within the cultural community, transformative through informal guidance, opportunity for reflection, and the social participant based on experience. As a practical contribution, this research presents an initial concept for a value-based community guidance that can be adapted and applied in the other community with appropriate adjustment. This model emphasizes the importance of the intergeneration interaction, space for reflection, and flexible approach. For the future study, it is recommendation that the further in the depth exploration of the dynamic of the international relationship within the cultural organization, including how can alumni and member can be facilitation and the structure manner within the mentoring and recognition process. The research not only contribute to the theory of the experiential learning and community based on the human resources development, but also present a practical framework for the creating a relevant, inclusive, and regenerative cultural training system for the Indonesian youth. The study is far from perfect, but I hope it offer a small contribution to your shared understanding of the local preservation and youth empowerment. Hopefully, the information that has been conveyed will be beneficial to all of us. Thank you.